In this video, I'll show you how to connect Lovable with n8n using a webhook. First, open your n8n workflow and click on Add Step. In the search bar, type webhook and select it. I'll set this webhook to trigger whenever it's called. Under HTTP method, choose Post, then copy the webhook URL. Next, open Lovable and go to your project. I'll use the Send Message button on my contact form as the trigger. Click the Edit icon, select the Send Message button, and then go to Ask for Quick Changes. Type something like Add Webhook to this button and paste in the webhook URL from n8n. Submit the change and Lovable will connect the webhook to that button. Now, whenever someone submits the contact form by clicking Send Message, the webhook will be triggered in n8n. From there, you can build your workflow, for example, sending a notification, saving the message to a database, or triggering any other automation. This is a simple way to connect Lovable with n8n, even without a native integration. And that's it. Your Lovable app is now linked with n8n through a webhook. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Lovable guides.